Yeah, my background, I have my PhD in competition mechanics of material from Washington State University. My current role in Honda as a CAE Principal Material Research Engineering in Digital Development Group in Frame Material Division in Honda R&D. Yeah, the natural response, we have a starting idea to try to reducing the physical test for welding, resisting spot welding assessment. So the idea is we are trying to look at any DOE or any platform that provided advanced DOE and machine learning. So within that, we have looking for fantastic digital tools, modeFRONTIER. We built big project with welding performance prediction. With Honda, we are working with the ESTECO people Zenden and all these technical support. Within this project, within more than 2 years right now, we have a lot of the product become one of the unique value that we have from this project. We are reducing the developing cycle from 6 months to 1.5 months. So this is the great digital tool application for us to reducing the physical test and material using, and also try to optimize the weld quality with the virtual one. I think is within the business value, we are using both of them. We try to use modeFRONTIER to automated complex workflow using a lot of digital tools, and also the other value try to democratize this simulation for engineering is people without have any experience, especially for simulation or DOE. So this is the coming from VOLTA and RunBox application.